सम्बन्धमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment in 482 places through Nityananda TV, 31 places two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha, 36 places two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha, in 241 cities and 24 countries around the world as per the statistics. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha are San Jose Madurai, Alvarpet Chennai, Malaysia Palani, Toronto Kailasam, Oklahoma Somanatham, Madrid Spain, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Seattle Chidambaram, Ohio Prayag, Sharjah, Tiruvannamalai, Los Angeles Arunachalam, Adayar Chennai, Hyderabad Bhagyanagaram, Bangalore Nityananda Vidyalaya, Black Diamond Canada, Hollywood Los Angeles, Oman Sivagangai, Priyankananda Malaysia, Hong Kong Sirgari, Hyderabad Sri, East London UK, Dubai Tirukovilur, Bangalore Nityananda Vidyalaya, and New York Varanasi, Vancouver Puri, Singapore Singapuram, Charlotte Srisailam, Devon UK, Austin, Vancouver Puri, Bangalore Marattahalli, Bangalore North, Paris France, Dakota Dunes, Chicago Srirangam, and Port Washington, New York. That's it. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I request all the two-way video conferencing cities, please put the name in your camera, in your screen webcam itself. How to do it? You would have received an email. Still there are some cities not done. Black Diamond Canada, you have not done. Toronto Kailasam, they have not done properly. Toronto Kailasam also did not do properly. And Sharjah, you have not done. Guadalupe Rameshwaram has not done. Madrid, Spain has not done. Dubai Tirukovilur, you did not do. And Chicago Srirangam has not done. Austin has not done. Devon UK has not done. Charlotte Srisailam has not done. New York Varanasi has not done. Dakota Dunes has not done. Port Washington, New York has not done. Hyderabad Sri is not done. Tomorrow I will not read out your name if you have not done. Understand? And I also wanted to change some of the names, spiritual names and names of the cities. Tiruvannamalai will be called as Nityananda Nagar Tiruvannamalai. And Hyderabad Bhagyanagaram will be called as Nityananda Nagar Hyderabad. And Some more city names I'll be changing. After they do the collective responsibility meeting, Jyotia Asnani, Dubai, I accepted your Pada Puja. I'll talk to you during Dayal Avatar and bless you. And today, 4th batch, Di Samyama, 12th day, 15th Inner Awakening, 12th Ingenious, 12th day. Wow, Tiruvannamalai has changed it immediately. Nityananda Nagar, Tiruvannamalai. Great. And today, an important happening. We are accepting Charlotte Srisailam as a temple officially by giving Meru and Ambal. Ma Chirantana. Gobrahmanebhyah subhamastu nityam lokas samasta sukhino bhavantu Kale varshadu varjanyaha prithvi shasya shalini desho yamsho barahitaha brahmana santu nirbhayaha blessings. Charlotte will have a huge temple and our university. Temple and university. Blessings. A Charlotte blessings. Blessings. Help us. Great. From today morning, somehow I am feeling that new energy is happening. From today morning, I don't know, even the celebration, we had a small celebration, a flag hoisting. From today morning, somehow I am feeling kind of a new energy is happening. We are entering into a new positive phase of the Sangha. Great. And today, by raising the Nityotsava flag, eternal celebration flag, Nityotsava Dvajarohana, we also begin the celebrations officially for Mahashivaratri. Officially, the Mahashivaratri celebration is beginning. This time, Mahashivaratri, Tattva, we are going to live as Satya, is Swatesho Bhuvanatrayam. Listen. Mata cha Parvati Devi, Pita Devo Maheshwaraha, Bandava Shivabhaktascha Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam. Mother is Parvati, father is Shiva, relatives are the devotees of Shiva, and all the three worlds is our own country. So the concept is Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam, means centers all over the world should take this beautiful occasion of Mahashivaratri to invite and welcome and enrich all donors who had contributed to our Sangha, even if they had bought one book, one mala, one bracelet. They are donors. Listen. They are donors. I think more than a word, Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam, the word Bandava Shivabhaktascha will match. Bandava Shivabhaktascha will be the Tattva for the Shivaratri. Okay? Bandava Shivabhaktascha means all Shiva's devotees are our friends and relatives. So, this Shivaratri is to enrich people, calling all of them, inviting all of them, and celebrating and enriching all of them with the great prasada of four tattvas. With the great prasada of four tattvas. Next I have a message from Seattle. I'll read out that and reply to them. They asked, it's a very beautiful question. Seattle is asking, Swami's Guruvak was that we enrich 100,000 lives with the four tattvas. He also said, excited hard work is Guruvak for you guys. We are really excited and we have started our enriching 100,000 lives with the four tattvas. One question that came up is how to make it measurable. With Swami's approval and blessings, we would like to enrich lives through the website dedicated for the four tattvas. If Swami thinks this is a good idea, we commit with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching others and ourselves to build this website. Listen. Now I wanted to make it very clear. Whatever I am giving is a spiritual instruction. First thing all of you need to know, because legally I am not the member of Seattle Sangha, but as a spiritual guide, I can give a spiritual instruction. Listen. Seattle Sangha, listen. I am very happy that you wanted to create a website for four tattvas. You are asking the question, how to make it measurable. If all 100,000 come and attend inner awakening and get initiated, that is the measurable way. Please understand. Any number who come here, get initiated into those four tattvas and start living it. That is the measurability. Mukta, clear? Swati, clear? Yes. So please understand, that is measurability. So all of you guys, getting it? Mukta, getting it? That is what is real, making impossible into possible. Okay? All right. See, only if 100,000 people come to inner awakening and make these tattvas as part of their life. A video is, what happened? It's working? Then project the Seattle. Only if 100,000 lives are enriched through inner awakening, they start living these tattvas, only then the energy which is needed to create a Nityananda city will happen. And only then Nityananda city is useful. Understand? We don't want dead cities. Understand? There are many dead cities. We don't want dead cities. We want living cities. If Nityananda Nagar, Nityananda city in Seattle, if it has to be alive city, people just need to live these tattvas. At least 100,000 people should be living these tattvas. Only then it will be alive city. Okay? So, Medamayi, Archana Gurung, Swati, Mukta, all you guys are understanding? Yes. So, it's beautiful. You guys have given a detailed plan. The website is great. Go ahead and do it. The site has definitions of 4 tattvas. The website enriches lives by giving life solutions based on these 4 tattvas. Example, if people face some problem at work, how to handle it using this truth, great, go ahead. You are on right direction, blessings. How to handle raising children based on these truths, great, go ahead. The website links to morning satsangs on the 4 tattvas and also add LBP videos which talk about chakras, emotions based on these 4 tattvas, great, go ahead. Project, man. So it's beautiful. Go ahead. You guys are already taking up a project called Guaranteed Solutions. Na? You can now do all that 108 meditations, whatever you took it up in the 2012 project. You can now connect all that along with this website itself. How will you name the website? You have to give a very beautiful name, the highly searched keyword. Keyword is our language, official language. So, blessings. And they are asking, we will also request Swamiji to provide deeper understanding of other concepts based on these 4 tattvas so that we can add them to this website. How does love for oneself, love for their own highest potential, love for what's around us, love of life, love of God, love for others relate to these 4 tattvas? Great. I'll go on be speaking. You just put all these questions, I'll go on speaking. Enrich lives by inviting the world to share their experiences and how they tackle their problems with these 4 tattvas and add them to the website. This website can be a collective responsibility of people around the world. Great, yes. I declare this website is the collective responsibility of the Nityananda Sangha. Sure. We will start this website and invite the world to enhance it. Blessings. Go ahead. When we go out to enrich people, we will link to this website. Yes, right. That's beautiful. Right. You are right. Let this website talk only about 4 tattvas as a first priority. Let even founder be the second priority. Understand? So, first priority is just these 4 tattvas. That's great. So even if we have ads on buses or on flyers, the number of unique visitors to this site will give us some measure of enrichment. You are right. But when I say enriching, I mean they should be coming, attending the inner awakening, directly getting initiated. That is the number. So when I said 100,000, I meant that. Yes. Beyond that, the number of people who come to us as volunteers for programs to learn further, and I8 will tell us how we are enriching people beyond the website. Yes, you are right. Blessings. Ma. Great. Blessings. Oh. Chet Harvey, blessings for you also. I was trying to recollect your name. Blessings. I was just trying to recollect your name. Blessings. I am with you also. So, great. So, question. Go to the message. Great. My blessings for all you guys. So, understand the principle? You understood? Great. Mukta, done? Done. Yes. Great. Next. This is from one of my favorite daughters, Supriya. That's why I gave her the name favorite. Supriya means actually my own favorite. So this is the message from her. It's beautiful. I'll read out an answer. To create a core group of volunteers to actively participating in enriching our university. Yes. Please understand. This idea of university we have started, we are working, but still we need to put more energy into it to make it alive. Before that, I have a beautiful announcement for you guys.
कल्याणकारी कलुषारी नमस्तेस्तु सुधाझरी श्रीरंगरंगनाथनिन पादम वंदनम सेय्यडी श्रीदेवी रंगनायकी नामम सन्तदम सोल्लडी श्रीरंगरंगनाथनिन पादम वंदनम सेय्यडी நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி இன்பம் பொங்கும் தென்
ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம்
गंगा शंकाश कावेरी श्रीरंगेश मनोहरी कल्याणकारी कलुषारी नमस्तेस्तु सुधाझरी ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி ஸ்ரீதேவி ரங்கநாயகி நாமம் சந்ததம் சொல்லடி இன்பம் பொங்கும் தென்கங்கை நீராடி மஞ்சள் குங்குமம் மங்கை நீ சூடி
I'll continue to read out this message and then answer. Please understand. We need to put more of our energy into this university project to make it alive and useful to people. We have to enrich the world through this university. Yes, when we start our work, automatically everything comes.
பாடடி மஞ்சள் குங்குமம் மங்கை நீ சூடி தெய்வப்பாசுரம் பாடடி ஸ்ரீரங்கரங்கநாதனின் பாதம் வந்தனம் செய்யடி
I'll complete this and then tell you guys that. See, just like 2012 project, we had a dedicated devotees group doing it. I wanted to create now 2013 project, dedicated devotees group who will work on all these projects, mainly university project. Mainly university project. This year, this group of devotees should work on university project, which I myself personally guiding. Please listen. We should have a dedicated group of devotees. Whoever want to volunteer, you can sign up after I completely describe in many languages to give everyday Swamiji's morning satsang as university syllabus, including pictures, assignments by the end of the day, coming with a title based on life solutions. So we'll be prepared with syllabus to launch our university in all countries by next year. And after all, we are an educating organization. So our organization is the definition, the most appropriate definition for our organization will be religious university. That will be the best appropriate definition. Non-profit religious university. So now as per each country's law, you can define. In India, we are a different trust. Religious services are done in separate trust and the educating part is done in a separate trust. So in each country, as per their law, you can mold it. Basically, we are a non-profit religious university, having multiple programs, classes, education happening. So we should organize. We need devotees, volunteers to put this whole thing in an organized way. And encouraging our devotees to do PhD on these tattvas. Yes, every program will have a clear certification and the title. If you have completed healer's initiation, HR can be the title for you. And same way, if you have completed teacher's training, the TR will be the title for you. And if you have completed Pujacharya training, PR will be the title for you. And same way, if you have completed Yogacharya training, you will have the title YTR. We will have clear title and certifications designed, developed. Vice Chancellor will be leading. Vice Chancellor Ma Nitya Manishananda will be leading this project. Mamanisha, you are catching it? Including Inner Awakening, LBP level 1, level 2, everything should become a certification program. And even the satsangs should be the semester. And I also encourage our devotees to do PhD on these 4 tattvas through our university. And like many of my unique contributions are there, kriyas, many specializations, meditation, many are there, so that people start learning and we start enriching people with their lives. And 2012 project, we can have a separate, just like 2012 project, I wanted to have a dedicated separate group for this 1 year. I call this as 2013 University Project. 2013 University Project. We should start preparing syllabus, everything beautifully. We should have 5 levels of syllabus. Syllabus for the age 0 to 7 and 7 to physical maturity, and after physical maturity to 21, and 21 to death, and separately specialization. Listen, 0 to 7, no, we can, 0 to physical maturity, that should be 1. Physical maturity to 21, that should be 2nd. 21 to till death, that should be 3rd. The 4th will be specialization, like becoming yoga teacher, becoming sannyasi, becoming healer, the specialized courses, special courses. 5th one will be PhD, separate PhDs. So we should start developing syllabuses. 0 to physical maturity, Madhvait, you will take the responsibility. And physical maturity to 21, who will take the responsibility? Youth, Atma and Bhairavika and Supriya, all 3 of you guys will take the responsibility. And 21 to till death, Mamanisha, you will take the responsibility. And no, it is needed. And then Guru Smarana. First, you complete all your inauthenticities. You should not have taken a kavi with so many incompletions. First, complete all that and do prayaschitta for all that. Only then I can include you into anything. You have to complete all that, and doing prayaschitta for all that has to be done. Hmm? Hmm. So now, and then this specialization courses we will design. Okay. And then PhD. I think all the three you have to manage. Yes. So, Seattle Chidambaram, you guys can also contribute material and take material from this. Lot of things will be almost similar. You understand? Whatever material you create will be many way useful for every one of them. Common pool, the think tank, common think tank and collegium. Use right words. Nityananda Collegium of Universities. And the university guys, you should think continuously in the language of university. Even Annalaya is your extension center. Manisha, you are listening? Even every ashram, every temple is your extended campus. Even our Annalayas is your extension center. Yes. We are a non-profit, religious university. If you are interested in enriching yourself and others by participating in this project, 2013 University Project, please send email to 2013universityproject@gmail.com. 2013 University 2013.university.project@gmail.com. Come on, let me see. How many of you are? Please listen. If you have already become part of the Anna Mandir, Annalaya project, do not commit now. If you are that authentic, you will be able to do both, then commit. So how many wants to commit for this? Listen, but remember, you have to be in integrity if you commit. How many of you want to commit for this 2013 University Project? Raise your hand. Wow. Good number. Mamanisha, stand up and just look around. You should know. I will not be telling. So 2013 University Project. All the people who are committing, please send an email today to this mail ID 2013.university.project@gmail.com. Okay? Even Nityananda Publishers will become part of Nityananda University. Please listen. Just like Oxford Publishers. Each university have their own publishers. They have their own publishers. What they call? They have a unique name. So, take the responsibility. Each university has their own publishers, just like that. Nityananda Publishers also will be part of this university. Wonderful. In a way, if we align everything and with all our energy, bring ourselves to enriching ourselves and to others, we will be the largest religious university in the world. And these four tattvas are so powerful. If you live, you can enrich anybody's life just with these four tattvas. From any background, he may be a beggar to prince. So be very clear, we can enrich anybody with these four tattvas in their life. So each university has their own university press. We will also have our Nityananda Publishers, as we will change the name into Nityananda University Press. I have a beautiful thing to show you guys. This is the official letter from Mahanirvani Akada, accepting us as Mahamandaleshwar and declaring Paramahamsa Nityananda as their 44th Mahamandaleshwar. And it is signed by Secretary Sri Panchayati Mahanirvani Akada. Mahanirvani Pita. Yes. You can all see. And it reads out clearly. Two Acharya Mandaleshwar, Mahanirvani Akada and Atal Akada. Both Acharya Mandaleshwars personally conferred the title Mahanirvani Akada's Mahamandaleshwar to Paramahamsa Nityananda after the election and selection voting of unanimously voting and selecting him as Mahamandaleshwar. It reads out the date, time and all that. Sri Panchayati Akada Mahanirvani Kumbhamela Shivir Prayag Allahabad Nirvan Pitatishwar Sri 1008 Acharya Mahamandaleshwar Swami Vishwadevananda Ji Maharaj's presidency and Atal Pitatishwar Sri 1008 Swami Sri Sukadevananda Ji Maharaj's presence and Sri Panchayati Akada Mahanirvani's Sri Panch Parameshwar means that is the ministry, cabinet, the Panch Parameshwar, and secretary team's guidance means the whole, all of them unanimously. Sri Swami Nityananda Ji Maharaj has been coronated with the post of Mahamandaleshwar. That is the meaning of the letter. So now we are officially part of the age-old Vedic Hindu tradition. And we are officially part of the oldest apex body of Hinduism. ध्यान से सुनिए, मैं फिर से 4 तत्वों का परिभाषा दे रहा हूं। I'll again give the essence of 4 tattvas. Especially I have to today expand on responsibility and integrity. I also wanted to share these few things about Viraja Homa and Sannyas and everything. Listen, every time when you take a new steps like a going through certain ritual, like taking Kavi, taking Brahmacharya, taking Sannyas, going through Viraja Homa, there is a big possibility for your transformation, taking jump into the next level of consciousness. If you take it without preparation, you will set a very low standard for you. I am not going to say no. If the moment you ask, I am going to give. But if you set a low standard for you, you are missing one more door opening. So practice integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching intensely. Don't give place for your greed for sannyas, greed for that possession, greed for that color, greed for your fantasies. No. Decide consciously. Am I going to use this door? When I do the Viraja Homa, I should literally disappear into the 4 tattva fire, Jnanagini. In that way, should I take Shivaratri or Guru Purnima? Contemplate. Plan. When I open it to all, I throw the responsibility back on you. With incompletion, if you jump into these rituals, you miss one of the possibilities. Complete with integrity and authenticity. Then take the jump. So whoever has applied for Krama Brahmacharya, Naishtika Brahmacharya, Sannyasa, all of you, first and foremost, work on your root patterns, complete them. After completing with the base of the root patterns, then only the possibility of sannyas can be experienced through you authentically. It is a space of sannyas. Understand? The space of sannyas. Kripaya suniye. Please listen. So listen, before you take up Kavi, Viraja Homa, Sannyas initiation, or requesting for Rishi order, create the space of sannyas in you. Don't take it up just because of greed. When you become head of a organization, you are responsible for others' inauthenticity also. If others do churning of the ocean without your permission, even then if poison comes, you are responsible for it. They have not taken Shiva's blessings or permission to churn the ocean. But when poison came, who took the responsibility? Shiva took the responsibility. That is what is a leader and leadership consciousness. So listen, every human being, actually every human body becomes human being only when you start living these four tattvas. As I said, life happens when you take responsibility. Life happens when you start enriching. I'll give you the definition of responsibility once more. Listen. Living and responding to life from the truth that you are the source of, and therefore you are responsible for all happenings in and around you. In the space of responsibility, life flowers. Even this building, because these pillars are taking the responsibility, they are standing on it. Any bridge stands because pillars take the responsibility. कृपया सुनिए, उपायनम का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर एवं आपके बाहर सभी तरफ होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप खुद है. Cognizing for everything happening in and around you, you are the source and taking responsibility for it. How many of you are cognizing this? तेजोरूपन अड़यार, क्या आप सुन रहे हैं? Are you listening? Putting your head down. In the space of responsibility only, life flowers in you. केवल उपायनम की स्थिति में ही आप में जीवन विकसित होता है, आप में जीवन विकसित होता है, only then life flowers in you. Only when you take the responsibility, life flowers in you. जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर एवं आपके बाहर सभी तरफ होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप खुद है। Only with responsibility, when you take responsibility, life starts happening in you. I tell you, for any disease, taking responsibility is a sarvaroga nivarani. I declare to this world, for any disease, from migraine to cancer, headache to headlessness, brain fever to brain fever, brain tumor to brain doomer, for any disease, taking responsibility can be amazing cure. Listen, amazing cure. I am giving this not as a process for healing. Listen, I am giving this as a process for curing. Listen to the word I am using, curing. I am responsible for what I am uttering. I know with responsibility you can change the way your heart pumps, the way your body functions, the way you behave to your body. Just do not stop with the attitude, it's okay. Please listen again. कृपया फिर से सुनिए। कोई भी रोग के लिए उपायनम या जिम्मेदारी एक अद्भुत चिकित्सा हो सकता है। Responsibility is an amazing cure for any disease. For any disease. Listen. उपायनम का अर्थ है जीवन को इस सत्य के साथ जीना और प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त करना कि आपके अंदर एवं आपके बाहर सभी तरफ होने वाले सभी परिस्थितियों का मूल कारण एवं उत्तरदायी आप स्वयं हैं। With responsibility, life happens to you. When you take the responsibility for whatever is seen and experienced by you, whatever is unseen or unexperienced by you takes responsibility for you. Listen, when you take responsibility for whatever is seen and experienced by you, whatever is unseen and unexperienced by you takes responsibility for you. When you take responsibility for Vyakta, Avyakta takes responsibility for you. Because Avyakta functions, Avyakta moves on the spindle center of responsibility. If the center of the spindle is mass, it attracts mass. That is gravitation theory. If the center of the spindle is consciousness, it attracts all consciousness. I tell you, center of the spindle of the cosmos is responsibility. So it attracts responsible people towards it. If you take responsibility for Vyakta, Avyakta takes responsibility for you. If you take responsibility for all the known things, unknown takes responsibility for you. If you take responsibility for the known part of the God, world, the unknown part of the world, God takes responsibility for you. When God takes responsibility for you, you are God. You are incarnation. Incarnation is a being who takes responsibility for everything. Avyaktam Vyaktimapannam. Vyakti and Avyakti. Vyakta and Avyakta. Perceived and unperceived. Experienced and unexperienced. Avyakta moves on the spindle center. Of the Vyakta. जो अव्यक्त है, वो जो व्यक्त है, उसकी दूरी के केंद्र पे चलता है. Avyakta moves on the spindle center of the Vyakta. And Vyakta moves in the spindle center of the Avyakta. You say, earth moves around the Sun. I say, sun moves around the earth. ध्यान से सुनिए, कृपया ध्यान से सुनिए. You say, earth moves around the sun based on your time. I say, sun moves around the earth based on my time. You see few years, I see few yugas. In few years, earth goes around the sun. In few yugas, sun goes around the earth. Because this whole galaxy itself is moving, going around. Then, wherever the earth is, sun is going to go around the earth once. Listen. Avyakta goes round the Vyakta, Vyakta goes round Avyakta. When you say Vyakta goes round Avyakta, you are materialist. When you say Avyakta goes round Vyakta, you are spiritualist. I tell you, when you take responsibility for Vyakta, Avyakta takes responsibility for you. So with this, I'll move to the next segment of the morning satsang. Dial the avatar.